So, my dear friends, hello. How are you? The electric uncle, so called, hat wale, the given name of some school students. So now today, I think we should take the thing seriously and as a perfect professional way. Is for the engineers, coming engineers, future engineers, fresh engineers, because the persons who are working in this solar field, they may know about these things. I am not the only person who is the best. So many best engineers are there, very good engineers are there. But my aim is, whatever I know, as per my experience of 350 megawatt in solar field, consultancy, tendering, making detailed project reports, DBR, designing on AutoCAD, arrays, panels, AJBs, string combiners, like this and that. A lot of things are there in this. Solar field is very vast field. But to start with, we should start from the basic things. Now I am moving towards concepts for the megawatt projects. How to proceed with those? Not for the rooftop, not for these small projects. Of course, these are very important. I have made my videos for that also. And make more also. Like this sun tracker system, everybody make video on it, so many people, but my way is little different. I will show you the fabrication also, how to fabricate the structure for the solar tracker system. But now I have started this series. Maybe it will take 20 videos, 25 videos, very vast scope. So I also get confused from where I should start. So for the basic things I told in previous videos about the panel, how to electricity generates, this and that. Now we have to come related to field work. If you going to get a tender, going to get a work awarded, so you need tendering work also. What should be included in that? And then if you are going to execute the work, means on turnkey basis, if you are going to get a project. So what we should need it? It is the part of consultancy also, the part of execution also, designing also. So today, what I think I should start with the scope of work only. I will give you the brief. I will show you the work I have done it. So I have some pics. I will display it on the screen for this brief scope of work. Then afterwards I will take one by one video to make on each article of that scope of work, as how we can proceed with consultancy for that work, how we can proceed for execution of that item. So today I will start with the scope of work, which starts from the land acquisition. What type of land, how to acquire, fencing, this and that, means from zero we will proceed. And beside that, I will give some introduction of this. There is one software called TV Syst. The latest version is 7, something like that. I worked on 4 and 5 before. So I have some pics of that also. I'll show you. The engineer, I will request the fresh engineers. And this is very easy to use it for our solar systems. Like if we want to know irradiation of any country, any place in this world. Go to PV6, enter the country, enter the city, it will be there. As how much energy in this area can be generated and how many units we will get in a year, monthly basis, details in this PV6 software. So irradiation, simulation, then meteor norms, everything is there, packed in this software. But they charge something, so now I don't need. So I just downloaded trial version. Maybe it will finish within 4 or 5 days. So I will give priority to this PV6 to go step by step with everything. And you need to practice only. It is free. You can download. I have given the description, link in the description. And about this scope of work, link you will find in the description. So you can read that. You can start practicing till my next video. And I have planned as per my capacity daily to come on live and make one video in English and upload it. So whoever prefer which one, they can start with that learning. Because sometimes when I make in Hindi, so many people, even from abroad, Nigeria, this, that, some Russian countries before, so they send request to make it in English also. So even one person want in English, I will make. So gentlemen, I think now we can start with that from the scope of work. Then a small introduction about the PV6 software. So let us proceed. So my dear friends, let us start with the scope of work. You see here selection of potential site. The first, power evacuation system planning. So like that, this scope of work has so many means articles, items, like this preparation of feasibility come detailed project report means DPR. DPR is the complete project report, have got everything in it. You see preparations like this, procurement and inspection of all materials. This is all the responsibilities of an engineer. So introduction like this, deliverables. So engineering, if you want to enter into execution works, then you will need all these things. Services, design, drawing, supervision for the following. So these are the scope of work when we move towards a megawatt project. So this is of 2 pages. I just bring it out in a brief. And this is financial closure. We use this Excel sheet to calculate how many years the payback will be there with so much interest, how much energy will be generated, and gradually how it will increase after 7 years. This is automatic. Excel sheet, you just put the data in front page, rest will change by itself. So I will share it with you. So this is all. This is my company I was running, so I brought out all my old records to show you. Now we will come to the second page of this scope of work. And this I have put in the description also in my previous video on live. So in this video also I will edit, so you can make print out and go through it in brief in 2 pages only. I have comprises that in a project what are the scopes of companies or the engineers. So what are the client's duty, what is the company's duty, what is optional, whether to give or not. So all these things in combination with customer, the client, we have to make all these things, mechanical work, civil work. So civil work is the first priority. So these 2 pages in brief, it will clear everything. So today just watch it, make print, read it, and also we have to move to PVsyst, which will give you a lot information about a place where you are working. So I want to be precise. You have to watch more. I need not to speak too much. Only the pictures and this will tell by itself, show by itself what it is, what not. So mechanical works, module mounting structure, then comes string monitoring box structure. This is the structure based. You have to play a role of a civil engineer also. So little bit knowledge of civil also you should have, so that the work will move smoothly. If you have little bit knowledge for the foundations, for substation foundation, if there is a sun tracker system, then you have to make this block work for the tracker systems. So here comes this mechanical work, electrical works, everything is there in this brief scope of work. Hopefully you will not miss anything. You see the monitoring system, string combiner boxes, central inverter of what capacity. This is the company's responsibilities. Say, I have written the responsibilities belongs to company and to the client, and what can be optional. If the client is agreed, you can put it with some subject to charge extra. So you just go through this point by points, and in future, I have to make video on it also. I will take each item individually and explain it, that what mechanical works in detail. I will show you some foundations with examples, so like that. So I have started this series as a professional, in a professional way. So for engineers, fresh engineers, it is very good thing. You can gain something from my experience of 350 megawatt. I have done a lot of different things. The tender work, your DC electrical works, AC electrical works. So hopefully I have left nothing. Everything is included in this 2 page for the scope of work. Substation bay, transmission lines. So I will show you in Polygon Wall last project 1 megawatt how I make the transmission lines. So gentlemen, was the first page, now second page. It is being done. Now we will come. This is the photo by chance selected. And this comes the second page, security system, water supply, miscellaneous, testing, commissioning. Everything is being comprised, means what I mean to say. So just make print out from my link from the description, and just in a relaxed mood go through it. Then we will come on each topic one by one. What is auxiliary supply? What for it is being used? Where to put? So various things are there. Each topic will need to make a one video for half an hour, for 1 hour, like that. Then after operation and maintenance, 1 year you have to maintain the plant. Washing systems, you can give auto washing also if the client is agree, so that the panels should remain clean and give energy with their full efficiency. Testing, commissioning, handing over. So in civil works there is boundary wall, fencing, which fencing he wants. There is an electric fencing also at low volt system, so that animals, they should not enter into. lightning protection, so a lot. If we will go in detail, it's a vast subject. So I was confused from where to start. So I decided to start with this scope of work first. What work we have to do on a solar power project of megawatt scale. Afterwards, in my next videos, you will see the designing of the arrays. We will choose a 1 megawatt project as a sample, and we'll move with the 15 panel, 20 panel we need on one array as per the voltage of the inverter. So, not in hurry. There should be UPS for critical loads or inverter and SCADA. SCADA is the monitoring system. So auxiliary cables, accessories for these UPS systems, auxiliary power supply, auxiliary transformers should be installed separately. So in detail will come SCADA, weather station, internet, then security system like smoke detector, fire extinguisher, control room and the substation itself, CCTV security, surveillance system for the plant. So a lot we have to do on a plant. So gentlemen, now we will come to the PV-SYST, this software. I will open it. Already it is open. So we are here. This is the heart of the plant. Every engineer must know how to use it, and it is very easy. You work in the Microsoft Office, right? Typing, shaping, this, that. I think that is more little difficult to understand, but this is very easy. PV-SYST, you can get irradiation, simulation, meteor norms of any place in the world. You have to fill up the country. So I will start this with one by one. Today I will give you in brief the introduction of this PV-SYST, preliminary design, project design, database, tools, file. You can save the projects, bring it out again. Here you will find the graphical, the sun path of that place, which place you are working. So that place, all the parameters it will give. So nice software. Now preliminary design for grid connected systems, preliminary design for standalone, preliminary design for pumping, right? If you will select project design, it will be all for all the three. So for one complete project, now here it is written Algiers, okay, before. So we will change, we'll write India, New Delhi, it will give everything. How much energy in Delhi we can get it? What is the longitude? What is the latitude? And at what angle we have to install these panels as per the latitude, horizon, sun path. So many things, and how much energy you can produce, and even the panel layout it will show. In the field, how much area you have, what panel you want to install, it will make array itself. But as per my experience, even then you have to work practically. What it shows, okay. So you can make change in that also. One array more, one plus, minus, like that you can do. Now you see, it is showing Delhi's parameters, latitude, longitude, and here the energy, global radiation, diffuse, you see. It's all for Delhi. In January how much, February how much. And the temperature also, how much it will remain. Diffuse light, how much. So it is coming per year 5.41 unit per kilowatt. The average Per kilowatt it used to give 3 to 4 units per day. But they are showing in units, the different parameters. You can change the units also from the right side. If you don't want wind velocity, okay, it is showing average wind velocity in the year. So all the data is based on the previous wind velocities, average in which month, how much average wind velocity is there. So this is a very nice software. You know, gentlemen, I left working. I also forget so many things, but now I am recollecting everything just to make these videos, what I gain from it. And this is on trial basis, my PV software. I don't want to pay now. Before I paid, because continuous work was there with me. Now just for this on the trial basis, therefore I will make first the videos of this PV6. My next video will be, we will choose a project in it. How much big project and where we have to install. As a sample, we will take Delhi, Rajasthan, Gujarat, any place. And we will proceed one by one. So maybe I see this is the horizon, the sun path in Delhi, and this is the angle as per the latitude of the fixed structure. Tilt is 30 degree. And other side 29 is the latitude. So there is always a difference of 1 or 2 degree. Normally what we used to do, what is the latitude, put that angle. But it should be little bit more for Delhi. Now in Africa we have to put at 8 degree, 2 degree. The latitude is 2 degree, 3 degree, like that. So we have to put 5 degree. So it gives every detail, each corner. Now you select the panel to start with a project. We will do it. These are the so many parameters, meteor norms, area, to design a project. Complete design you can make for a project with the help of this. And it is very easy. Not so much command. Just go ahead, proceed, find, select, click. What is there? Just click it. You will find something new. So we will take like this preliminary design. Now standalone system with the battery, right? Not connected with grid. This you can design it. The battery based design. It gives complete designing. It will give drawing also of the layout of the panels. Then as per the site condition, you can make little bit changes in that. How many strings, how many AJBs, like that. Very small screen. I don't know why it is not getting full screen. The screen is fixed. On it we need to work. Now this is the set. Site and metro, meteor. This is grid connected a home. You can make a small project. Again you have to change the country. So for different projects you have to come again. Which place you want to get the norms, meteor, irradiation, simulation. Now this comes in project design. In this you can get all the drawings, the layout of the panels, how many panels per array, like this. So many things. Maybe I will need to make practice again. But as I am going on, I am recollecting the things. After a long time I am just doing it to make this video. So hopefully today I will make a little practice for tomorrow. So it's like that. If you have keen interest in learning, it is nothing for you. And if you want to pass the time, just go ahead. So many people can design, and you take the design and work, copy this and that. So, no use. My videos are to help you to increase your knowledge. It creates confidence. It gives you better chances to work with good companies if you have all this knowledge about it. And you can do it. Now see, data, parameters, arrays, this so many things are there. So this is still Algeria. So in the example, we will go selecting a proper place, say Rajasthan. We will make a design of Rajasthan sitting in Delhi. So from any corner you can design a plant anywhere in the world. This software help you a lot. So gentlemen, just install it. The link is there. Initially you can also install trial version for the practice, and afterwards if you feel it's good and continues to be used, so you can buy it. I used to work in PV6 4, 5, now it is 7 latest. They might have added so many things, and in the trial version they hide so many things. You will not be able to use complete parameters of it. They are clever. When you buy it, they open those parameters also. But even then, it doesn't make any difference. A lot of things, 99% you will learn from the trial. 1% if you buy, then they will open the gates to move towards those parameters. So I request to proceed with using scope of work, PVCs. Make your base strong. Then we will move towards the projects, because it's not a childish game, as we are going to start with the megawatt projects. So we will meet in next video, and I hope that daily I will come live and install the same video in English. So many persons they requested. So my dear friends, hope you gain little bit knowledge of this scope of work, PVCist. Just make practice and keep my playlist of this megawatts solar projects videos safe with you. Whenever you need, just open and watch it step by step. Make notes on your paper, and you can win. And you have all the basic things, you will get very good chances in good companies. So don't be a backbencher, you have to come in front. So watch carefully. And in the last, I request always to subscribe this channel, please, and to share it, so that it should reach to the needy students who belongs to under poverty line. My motto of this free education platform is to get it reached to them. It will be a great help if you will subscribe, share maximum, so they can be benefited. And I am at your disposal. I always told you, on WhatsApp, on my email, it is in the description. You can contact me. You can ask any question, and I will be happy if I will be able to reply satisfactorily for your queries. So that is what is my wish, you can say. So we'll meet in the next video, maybe tomorrow, if everything is okay by the grace of God. But now it will go in continuity. I don't want to break the link. Daily one part I want to launch it, so that I will cover up this solar chapter within 15-20 days. So see you.